So now let's see how we can group and ungroup objects inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go around and bring in, let's say for example, a shape right here and then fill it out with a color. Then I'm going to go around over here and then let's say for example, make an oval around over here and then fill it out with a color as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and make another shape as well. Let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and make a star right here just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and let's say for example, make out a rectangle around over here just like this as well. So now you can see that all of these shapes are separate right now just like this. So what you can actually do is you can go ahead and then turn it into groups as well. So for that, you can simply go ahead and click and drag this particular group out right here, and you can right click and then group it out right here just like this. So you can see that this has been turned into a group. Apart from that, you can also go around and then group this out right here just like this, and you can go ahead and group that out as well. And now once you do that, you can see that I can go around and click and drag out these particular shapes right here and there as I like. So if I were to go around and click and drag again, then I can select it and group it out further so that they actually behaves as a single shape. You can go ahead and resize that right here from the side as well, from this side as well, just like this, and you can see that this turns into a group right here. If I were to go around onto the object right here, then you can see that group and ungroup is an option as well. If I were to go ahead and ungroup it, then you can see that this is what I have right here. I can go ahead and then move these out together right here, and you can see that previously I had grouped these together and they still stay a group. Let me just go ahead right here and group these out again. But what I can also do is I can go ahead, right click or go into the object menu and then choose ungroup all. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that you can see that the individual objects right here are all separate just like that. And that is how you can ungroup out everything in Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always, and that is how you can group and ungroup objects inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.